मांडवीतलो एकूय कॅसिनो मांडवी सोडून दुसऱ्या न्हंयांनी वचपाक तयार ना म्हूण आतां सरकारूच धोरण बदलता। ऑफ शोर कॅसिनोचे खाशेलेपण लायव्ह गेमिंग जी ऑन शोर कॅसिनोत नासता। सुत्रां सांगतात त्या प्रमाण सरकार कझिनो खातीर नवी पॉलिसी करपाक सोदता। 3 वर्सांत सगळे कॅसिनो ऑन शोर करून लायव्ह गेमिंग कायद्यांत तरतूद करपाचो विचार सरकार करता। मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटा ह्याच विधानसभा अधिवेशनात कझिनो पॉलिसी हाडटले।
Can I disclose policies before assembly? To breach of Prudent गाने आपल्या गव्हर्नर करून या सेशनात त्याचे बेसिक मोरलेस गाईडलाईन्स पण दितात। पॉलिसी विल फ्रेम सबस्टॅन्स।
लकी 7 कॅसिनोचे बोटीक सरकारान पणजे पोर्टांतल्यान बिडकी कळूंक सांगल्या। मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटा ही कझिनो बोट मांडवीत पातयेवप बरोबर न्ही, हवामानूय खंय सारकें ना।
So there is no license for that boat. It is in distress in the sea. So the owner had gone to the High Court, and the High Court and the refuge vessel म्हणून ताका allow करा, provided they can meet the specific technical requirements. So they could not meet that. आम्ही तांकां सांगलेलें तुम्ही तुमचे जावचें ना येवंक शकचे ना because of the weather. It will be taken out. Ducks, pigs, ते काढून घेवन वतले।
परत धाकटे मांडवी किंवा दुसरी
No, you can't. I don't think we should take any other more risk. Since they had gone to High Court and High Court had asked us to consider their request, we had given them opportunity. Now the opportunity proves what we were saying. Even before High Court, we had said that during the closure of the port, there is sandbar which generates. They had taken a undertaking that we will manage to get it with the proper terms. But जायना ते swell येतात. Swell येतकच वयर सरता आनी सकयल बसता. सकयल बसले की सँडाचेर बसता. So now the Turks will tow it as the
back to empty.
This casino is not a new casino, which I think my fellow press members are knowing, and fellow Goans also all know. This is the casino which was stopped way back. It was auctioned also. He has gone to High Court and paid the dues last 7-8 months back, some 45 crores. The High Court has given instructions to the government. If you ask from the RTI that you magle, then you go and Captain of Ports has clearly written that right now it is not permissible because of the rough weather. It is on the directions of the High Court that this casino has been given permissions to end. It has not given permission, but on the grounds on those lines the casino has been coming. Unfortunately, it has got grounded. So things are going in a different way, which you all are also aware, to remove it from where it is because it will create a mess.
आमकां टुरिजमाक कसलो अडथळो येवपाक जायना आनी तेजेर म्हाजी अशें कितें जालें समज खंयच्या बाबतींत आमकां समज टुरिजमाक डिस्टर्ब जालें जाल्यार आमी इन्क्वायरी करतले।
गोंयांतले सगळे कझिनो बंद करचे म्हूण बाणावलेचो आमदार चर्चिल उलयला।
हांवें काँग्रेसीन आसतना राबी नायका सांगलें तेन्ना आज न्हू जे पळय हिंगा पळय लँडार पळय काजिनो चलता 5000 फी दर गोंयकारांक। आज गोंयकार सगळे काबार हे काजिनोचेर। काजिनो बंद जावपा जाय सारके। हे थोडीचे हे पळय हाय लँडार पळय हा काजिनो सगळे बंद जावपा जाय। आज आमचे सगळे तारोडी बारोडी सगळे काबार मरे। ट्युरिस्ट टॅक्सी बी सगळे काबार। लोक ते सगळे भांगार बायलेचे लोकांक मग केस जाता आमचे तिका। आवय हे आनी तो गव्हर्मेंट हाडला म्हणटा तो हायकोर्टान हाडलें ते गव्हर्मेंटाक ही नासतना हायकोर्ट कितें काडलो।
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस।